Today at BladeOps, we are checking out the new SurvivalGrid Emergency First Aid Bag. Comes with all the essentials you need. What's cool about this piece is it gives you the option to kind of carry it however you want, and what's ever most convenient for you with this little Velcro attachment. And without further ado, let's get into this thing and take a look and see what's inside. And wow, that's quite a bit. Let's break down of what is included with this thing. We've got a sweet little wrap for splints if you're to get a broken bone. We got some compressed gauze to help stop with any type of bleeding. Also comes with a sling. It's also got 2 paper clips, which super convenient as well. And of course, the good old emergency blanket that helps reflect heat and keeps you nice and toasty. We also have a little burn compress, super nice. And some surgical scissors, really compact and easy to use. And that's just half of it. We're going to take a look at this other side and see what's in this pouch. Oh, and of course, a very important tourniquet in those dire situations. More of kind of your basic bandage. Love this stuff. And of course, some trauma wound dressing for the really nasty wounds. Probably best to read the instructions the correct way. And we've got one more little pouch here. We've got some surgical tape, as well as some disposable gloves to keep everything super sanitized, because you don't want any infections going on. It even comes with a little Sharpie, and speaking of infections, we've got our alcohol wipes, which is probably one of the most important things. This sweet little compact bag is quite versatile. You can add some things in, you can swap some stuff out depending on where you're going, and just all around super convenient to throw on your backpack or even on your belt. So make sure to get your new survival gear emergency med kit today at BladeOps.